Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you've found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Say hello! This video is the fourth video in my daily Vocal Warmups for 1 week series, celebrating hitting 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing! I love singing with you and I'm glad that you're here. Now, as always, take a moment to check in with your alignment and breath to ensure optimal relaxation and support. It's important to have a balance of relaxation and alignment to avoid injury and to maximize vocal technique. Let's begin with some gentle, free-form lip trills. Keep going in whatever range feels good to you. Keep going. These are great to start in the middle of your range and then gently expand up and down. For this first vocal warm-up, let's sing on a hum. But instead of a regular hum, just stick your tongue out slightly between your lips. This will allow us to notice and release tongue tension and make sure that the tongue isn't pulling back in the mouth. We can sing on Here we go. Moving now to a lip trill, which is going to open up to an E vowel. Let's sing. Try to keep the breath flowing between the lip trill and the E. Here we go. Making sure that we don't introduce too much tension as we sing that sound. We'll sing the following pattern. Here we go. Now let's descend on meo-eo, like meo-eo-eo-eo-eo, and go. Meo-eo-eo-eo-eo, meo-eo-eo-eo. and releasing jaw and tongue tension as we sing on fa-e, like fa-i-i-i-i. For this exercise, keep the jaw movement gentle and the tongue moving with the jaw. Here we go. Let's do a descending. Work to keep a little bit of a feeling of sigh in the sound. Here we go. Rounding out the sound now on that same descending pattern, we can sing on ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. The throat stays gently open and relaxed on this vocal exercise. Here we go. Ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. Next, let's come to an interval exercise as we sing ni-o, like ni-o-e-o-e-o-e-o-e. Here we go. Ni-o-e-o-e-o-e-o-e. 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 Nice job. Let's sigh down. finish up with a little bit of range extension with one of our favorites, Oh How I Love to Sing. Keep this smooth and the air flowing. Oh how I love to sing. Here we go. Oh how I love to sing. 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 And one last side down, all the way to a vocal fry. Sustain that for a moment. Give your vocal folds a little massage. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Make sure to look for the rest of my 1 week of daily vocal warm-ups videos, and we can finish out the week together. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Hi. You can sit anywhere but right there.